Hi friends, I am Ashraf from Jaguar Autotronics. In this video, we are going to see about 52 pin series Wagoner all key lost. I had read the data already in Multi-Prog. Its MCU number is 646R. Now we are going to transfer the data what we had already read in Multi-Prog to KEYTOOL. This is all the simple method. If you don't know how to share the data through the cloud, I am tagging my another video in this. This is the method of transferring the data from PC to KEYTOOL from cloud option. We had selected the data what we had already read in Multi-Prog by taking out the BCM and put the connection in MCU. For 52 pin series Maruti Suzuki, we need to do all key lost with the BCM. One is by MCU method, another one is by EEPROM method. In this Wagoner, we are having MCU 646R. First of all, we can transfer the data through cloud. I am using VVDI MIDI advanced to do the key programming. Our data is transferred successful. Now we'll go for key learning. Now you can check the option here in Suzuki Wagoner. This is the menu. We need not to go for IMMO data tool. We need to go for IMMO programming. Maruti Suzuki. After selecting Maruti Suzuki, we need to go for IMMO data tool. Wagoner 2024 above. Start programming. All key lost. Now we need to select the data which is transferred through the cloud from PC. Select all key lost. Now you need to look carefully. If it is a smart key, you need to generate the remote in Baleno 4A, or else you need to generate the remote in XL6 keyless go ID 47. Whether it is a blade key, also you need to generate in a XM38 smart key. This is the main thing for Wagoner. We are going to generate our XM38 to make a dealer key. I am going to Suzuki XL6 47 keyless go. I am doing generate my XM38 remote as a dealer key in XL6 ID 47. I am just forwarding this step little bit faster. If you have any doubt about Multi-Prog or KEYTOOL MIDI, which one we need to buy, what are the vehicle coverages available in these tools, you can contact me directly. Now our remote got generated successfully. Now we'll go for IMMO programming. Maruti Suzuki. IMMO data tool. We'll go for Wagoner 2024. Start programming. All key lost. Okay, our remote has been generated successfully. Now we will select the D-flash data. We need D-flash data to generate a XM38 because key file will be available in D-flash only. Now you open, we got our key ID, the number 1 and number 2 what is already registered. Now select number 1, keep the XM38 in the induction coil of your tool. Then only the data will convert the dealer key to XM38 remote. Yeah, okay. We need to keep the remote in device coil. After keeping it in the induction coil, press OK to continue the process. Make sure that the key type of remote should be generated in XL6 for Wagoner. If it is a smart key, follow the steps what is showing before doing all key lost. Now we can press OK. Now the XM38 is ready to start the engine because we had created as a dealer key by our data. Now we'll go for select from vehicle, we'll go for Wagoner. In this we are going to select about 2023 key programming. Now the simulator key is ready to start the car. So we can do add key easily. You can use the super chip also, original 47 blank chip which is used for programming Wagoner. To do all key lost, you need a proper network connection. Press S. You need to put the current year and current month when you are going to do programming. I am doing 2025 12th month. Switch ignition on. We need to keep the generated key first. We can press OK. You should not turn off the ignition while doing the programming till it get complete. Press OK. You need to keep the super chip or any ID47 in this process. It is showing 0. You no need to do cancel. Press yes again to program the chip properly again. The system should show properly key number 1. Till that you don't press no. Now keep our chip to do programming and press S. Till get the total number of key 1, you need to do S. Now the program is got successful. Total number of key is 1. If you need more key, you can continue the process, or else you can press no, can come back again. Now our process is completed successfully. You can start the vehicle. Number of key is 1. Program is successful. We'll show you how it is started.
हेलो गाइस, माई सेल्फ भाविक पटेल फ्रॉम महाराष्ट्र मोटर्स। हमने अभी 2023 की वैगनर की है ऑल की लॉस्ट में कीटूल प्लस और जैगुआर ऑटोट्रॉनिक्स अशरफ सर की मदद से हमने ये की अभी कट करके ट्रांसपॉन्डर जनरेट करके रेडी कर दिया है। अब आप देख सकते हैं कि इमो की लाइट भी चली गई है और गाड़ी स्टार्ट होने के लिए तैयार है। गाड़ी स्टार्ट भी हो चुकी है। ओके, थैंक यू गाइस।